Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. In this video I'm gonna talk about the recent hair serum purchase that I got from Amazon, and it's none other than this Loreal Elvive extraordinary oil. The promotions have been going on everywhere, like every single site I can see this product, someone or the other person promoting. So I was like, let's buy this and see how it actually works like. That's why I'm here with my review. I have used this product this much. I know it looks very little, but you just need half a pump of this product for your entire hair. So let's start with the packaging first. This comes with a pump packaging, which is very convenient to use, and you get to control the amount of product you want. Ingredient list is mentioned on the back of this bottle, and it says it's a multi-use oil. That's what the whole promotion is all about, that you can use it in 3, 4, 5, 6 different ways. And yeah, it says it's for dry hair mainly, like everyone can use this, but it is mainly for dry frizzy hair. So yeah, that's all about this product. This one is a 100 ml bottle for $7, quite affordable. And there are a lot of people who claims that this is a dupe for the Kerastase oil, which I'm not sure about. So the number one thing that I like about this oil is the consistency. This oil is very lightweight, like I'll show you a little bit. It smells so good. It doesn't make your hair feel oily, or it doesn't weigh down your hair. My favorite way of using this product is after my head wash. I use it on my semi-dried hair. That is my favorite way of using this oil, but you can use it in so many other ways. This works as a perfect heat protectant. You can also use it as a deep nourishing oil on the length of your hair before head wash. That's how most people use this. It's not that effective for me in controlling the frizz when I use it like a deep oil. The most effective for me in terms of frizz control is the minimalist one that I already had a video on my channel. That one is really effective when it comes to frizzy hair. This is amazing as a heat protectant, or if you have little flyaways, you can just use this and it really helps in managing the frizz of your hair. The Kerastase oil is somewhere around $75 to $90, which I'm gonna buy soon, and I'm gonna see if the difference is like that. If you are on a budget, I think this one is so affordable. First of all, like $7 for 100 ml of product. I honestly didn't expect it that much also, but it is really good in managing the frizz. If you have flyaways, which most of us have on the very first day after wash, like a lot of frizz and flyaways, this really helps in manage that. It doesn't control it 100%, but it helps managing that frizz. So if you are considered buying this, I think you can go for this product. Like if you're someone who loves blow drying your hair after wash, this is like 2-in-1 for you. It moisturizes your hair, it works as a serum, and it also works as a heat protectant. So I think this is an amazing product to go for, and it's really worth your money. And that is all that I wanted to share about this product with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.